Hello everyone, Commodore Spence here. This is my Commodore 64 Starlight edition, and I'm going to be making a couple little updates to it today after having it for a week. The first one is I have taken this off the machine. It's cute, it comes with a lot of good software on it, but in hanging off the back, it kind of blocks the second port. So I copied everything to this stick here, and I'm going to be installing it into the machine instead of out the back. And the other thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing my Userport here today. All right, so there's 3 screws here, and we just got to unscrew these guys here. Someone said that this was very tight. We're going to see. Now with those off, let's get this apart. Okay, there we go. All right, opening the shell. Okay. There's a little USB cable in here and some LEDs. Now, I don't necessarily need to take those out, I don't think, today. Actually, I'm pretty sure I don't. So what we're going to do, oops, let's see if we can get that view. There we are. This USB port right here, we're just going to pop this guy in there. And that should take care of that. And then this guy over here, this guy, so let's just take a moment to look at the detail on this board. This is nice. Even if you want to use an original keyboard, they even have the pin header for that. I'll be doing another one of these in about 2 weeks for these guys too, so stay tuned for that. All right, so ribbon cable. Oops. Let's get that in there. Yep. And then we're going to feed that out the back here. It fits. That's where it's supposed to go. Yep, it does fit. Feed it right out the back. Okay. And then, yeah. So that's not very pretty. Just hang out the back like that, but I have seen some 3D prints to make that nicer. Oops. Anyways. Okay. Did I do this backwards? We'll see. Because I don't necessarily want it facing like that. Okay. I think I know what to do here. Unhook that. Open that up. Glass. Feed this through that way. Ow. Pinched me. Alright. Now with this, I should be able to use my protovision adapter again. Not exactly the prettiest way to do it, but it works. So if you put it back up against the machine, you can have it standing up, and that's not too bad. I might do it that way. maybe come up with a little bracket that just holds it there. All right, let's see if I did this right or if I'm going to blow everything up and ruin my computer. So let's plug a gamepad in there. I love these little guys. Fire the computer up. It turns on, that's a good sign. Turn on this little view. And don't want to forget this. Okay. Get my stream set up there. And we're going to pull up a game. There's my USB key, so that worked. Good. We're going to pull up a game that does multiplayer. Deathmatch. There's multiplayer. Let's see. Did I screw this up or is it going to work? Here's player. Oh, boom. All right, job done. Anyways, like I said, I'll be adding some real SIDs to this machine. Well, not real, ARM SIDs. Actually, ARM2 SID in a couple weeks. I'll be making another video, so if you want to catch that, make sure you subscribe, and yeah.